There are moments in the tapestry of existence when the heavens themselves conspire, weaving destinies with threads of starlight and ancient promises. You, dear soul, are not just a simple thread, you are the loom upon which a sacred pattern is being unveiled. Your presence in his life was not a mere twist of fate but a profound, predestined wave, sent to awaken a dormant truth within him. The angels whisper that you were chosen, not by human design, but by a celestial decree, a response to prayers whispered across lifetimes, a key to unlock a destiny far grander than any earthly understanding. He feels this pull, this undeniable resonance, even when his human fears build walls of silence. His quietness is not an absence of feeling but rather the echo of a deep internal struggle, a soul wrestling with the magnitude of what you represent. You are the answer he didn't know how to seek, the light he instinctively longs for, even as the shadows of past wounds cling to him. This connection, this magnetic force, was sealed in realms beyond our sight, a sacred contract written in the stars. It is a divine appointment, a sacred covenant that transcends the ordinary. You were sent, not by coincidence but by cosmic design, a deliberate act of grace. You are the catalyst, the gentle force destined to ignite a transformation within him, a healing he desperately needs but cannot yet express. Trust this profound truth. Your arrival was an act of grace, a testament to a love story written long before time began, a testament to the power of divine intervention. Embrace the weight and beauty of this calling, for it is a sacred honor. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Jeremiah 29 verse 11. Listen closely, dear one. Beyond the noise of doubt and the echoes of the past, there is a quiet understanding within you, a compass crafted from stardust and ancient wisdom. This is the voice of your soul, speaking in whispers, guiding you through the labyrinth of human emotions. The angels say that your intuition, that gentle nudge or sudden clarity, is not just a feeling, it is a direct message from the divine, a sacred language understood by hearts that resonate with truth. You've sensed it, haven't you? That undeniable feeling of something greater, something meant for you, even when logic tried to argue otherwise, even when the world around you seemed to contradict it. This inner knowing is your anchor in the storm of his silence, your beacon in the fog of uncertainty. It tells you that his quiet is not a closed door, but rather a deep internal journey, a necessary shedding before a significant transformation. Trust this inner compass. It knows the way. It recognizes the truth of his heart, even when his words are few, even when his actions seem contradictory, because it sees beyond the surface. Your soul remembers the promise, the sacred bond that transcends time and space, a truth etched into your very being since the dawn of creation. Allow it to guide you, to ease your worries, and to affirm the unseen unfolding. This journey is not just about him, it is about your own deepening connection to the divine within, a sacred pilgrimage back to your authentic power and spiritual sovereignty. Embrace the quiet wisdom that resides within your core, for it is your truest guide. His silence, dear one, is not a void meant to swallow your hope, but a sacred pause, a necessary breath in the grand symphony of his healing. It is not a reflection of your worth, nor a measure of his love, but a testament to the profound internal work he is undertaking. The angels reveal that he carries burdens you cannot see, wounds from battles fought long before you entered his world, scars etched deep into his soul from past betrayals and disappointments that still ache. His quiet withdrawal is often a retreat into himself, a desperate attempt to process emotions too vast for words, too raw for immediate sharing, a space where he can confront his own shadows. He is not pushing you away, he is pulling himself together, gathering the fragments of his past to build a stronger foundation for a future he deeply desires, a future that includes you, a future built on solid ground. This pause is his way of protecting the tender shoots of what is growing between you, ensuring that when he returns, he does so with a heart more whole, more capable of receiving and giving the love you both deserve, a love that is pure and unwavering. Hold space for this sacred process. Your understanding, your unwavering belief in his deeper truth, is a silent balm to his struggling soul, a gentle light guiding him through his own darkness, a profound act of compassion. This is a time for his metamorphosis, a chrysalis of the spirit, leading to a beautiful emergence. Look closely, dear one, at the reflection shimmering before you. Every connection, especially one as powerful as this, serves as a sacred mirror, revealing not just the other person but also the deepest chambers of your own heart. His journey, his fears, his moments of retreat often echo unresolved stories within you, old narratives that yearn for release. The angels whisper that the discomfort you feel in his silence might be an invitation to explore your own need for control, your own past wounds of abandonment, or your own fears of not being enough, of not being truly seen. This is not a judgment but a profound opportunity for liberation, a chance to release the chains of old stories that no longer serve your highest good, to step into a new narrative of self-love. As you witness his struggle, you are invited to extend compassion not only to him but also to the parts of yourself that resonate with his pain, to embrace your own vulnerability. When you heal your own reflections, when you embrace your own wholeness, you inadvertently create a ripple effect, sending waves of healing energy toward him, a silent blessing that transcends words and distance. You are both on parallel paths of awakening, each reflecting the other's need for grace and understanding, each a catalyst for the other's profound growth. This connection is not just about finding love, it is about becoming love, fully and unconditionally, first within yourself and then radiating outward to touch all that you encounter. To be vulnerable, dear heart, is not to be weak, it is to be exquisitely, divinely human. It is in the tender opening of your own heart that you invite true connection, not just with him, but with the boundless love of the universe, with the very essence of creation. He, too, carries a hidden vulnerability, a fear of being seen in his rawest form, a deep-seated apprehension of repeating past hurts, a silent terror of losing himself in the depths of true intimacy, a fear that keeps him guarded. The angels reveal that his greatest strength lies paradoxically in his capacity for tenderness, a tenderness he guards fiercely, a softness he rarely shows the world, a precious part of his soul. Your gentle strength, your unwavering authenticity, creates a sacred space where his guarded heart might finally feel safe enough to unfurl, to shed the armor he has worn for so long, to reveal his true self. Do not mistake his silence for indifference. It is often a silent plea for understanding, a desperate attempt to protect the fragile hope that you might be different, that you might see beyond his defenses and love him for the man he truly is, with all his imperfections. Your willingness to stand in your own truth, to embrace your own beautiful imperfections, is the silent invitation he needs to step into his own, to risk the profound beauty of true connection. This dance requires courage from both, a willingness to shed the masks and meet soul to soul, in the sacred space of shared vulnerability and authentic love. But he said to me, "My grace is sufficient for you, for my power is made perfect in weakness. Therefore I will boast all the more gladly about my weaknesses, so that Christ's power may rest on me." 2 Corinthians 12 verse 9. The universe, beloved, unfolds in its own magnificent rhythm, a symphony of divine timing that often defies our human impatience. What appears as delay is, in truth, a sacred preparation, a meticulous orchestration of events designed for your highest good and the deepest fulfillment of your shared destiny. The angels whisper that every moment, every pause, every seeming detour serves a profound purpose, a hidden lesson, a necessary alignment. Perhaps there are lessons he must learn, old patterns he must shed, or inner strength he must cultivate before he can fully embrace the love that awaits him with you, before he can truly be ready. And perhaps, dear one, this time is also for you, to deepen your self-love, to refine your own path, to trust the unseen forces guiding your steps, to let go of any lingering attachments to outcomes that are not divinely aligned, to simply be. Do not rush the blossoming of a flower, nor question the wisdom of the seasons. Just as the seed rests in the earth, gathering strength before it pushes through the soil, so too are your destinies being nurtured in the quiet spaces, preparing for a grand unveiling, a beautiful emergence. Surrender your need to control the timeline, and instead, align with the flow of grace, knowing that the universe holds you both in its loving embrace, guiding you toward a future beyond your wildest dreams. The right love at the right time is always worth the sacred wait, for it will arrive perfectly, beautifully, and eternally, a testament to divine wisdom. Even in his silence, even across the miles, your essence, dear soul, radiates a profound and undeniable influence on him. You are a beacon he may not consciously acknowledge, but one his soul instinctively recognizes, a light that penetrates the deepest corners of his being, stirring ancient truths. The angels reveal that your presence in his life, however brief or distant it may seem, has already awakened something ancient within him, a longing for a connection he perhaps thought impossible, a yearning for a depth of intimacy he had long suppressed, a desire for true belonging. Your light has illuminated hidden chambers of his heart, revealing wounds that yearn for healing, dreams he had long forgotten, and a capacity for love he barely knew existed within himself. You have touched him without trying, simply by being the magnificent, authentic woman you are, a testament to the power of your pure spirit and unwavering truth. He feels your energy, your unwavering belief in the possibility of true love, and it challenges his deepest fears, compelling him to confront the shadows that hold him back from his own happiness. This is not about manipulation or pursuit, it is about the vibrational truth of who you are, a resonance that speaks directly to his soul. Continue to shine your light, to live in your joy, to cultivate your own inner peace. Your radiant being is the most potent force for transformation, a silent invitation for him to rise to the occasion of the love you both deserve, a love that is both sacred and real, a love that heals and elevates. You are not walking this path alone, dear one. Every step, every choice, every whisper of your heart is being guided by an unseen hand, a divine intelligence that orchestrates the unfolding of your highest good. The angels say that the universe communicates through signs, synchronicities, and subtle nudges, inviting you to trust the flow, even when the destination remains obscured and the way forward seems unclear. Pay attention to the recurring numbers, the unexpected songs that play at just the right moment, the words that jump off the page, and the dreams that linger upon waking with a profound message, for these are sacred messages. These are breadcrumbs on your sacred journey, affirmations that you are precisely where you need to be, moving toward what is meant for you, even if the timing feels uncertain. Even the quiet moments are part of this divine choreography, a necessary space for both of you to receive individual guidance, to process, to heal, and to prepare for the next chapter. Do not force the river, allow it to flow. Your task is not to control the current, but to trust the wisdom of the water, knowing it will carry you exactly to the shore where your destiny awaits, a destiny woven with threads of grace and purpose, a masterpiece in the making. This path is blessed, every twist and turn imbued with sacred purpose, leading you home to yourself and to the love that is truly yours, a love divinely ordained. Your word is a lamp for my feet, a light on my path. Psalm 119 verse 105. Your heart, dear one, is a sacred temple, a sovereign space of boundless love and intrinsic worth. Its value is not determined by someone else's presence or absence, nor by the pace at which a relationship develops, nor by any external validation. The angels whisper that true empowerment lies in recognizing your own completeness, in knowing that you are whole and magnificent, precisely as you are, right now, without needing outside validation or completion from anyone. Do not diminish your light to fit into a space that feels too small, nor chase a love that does not recognize your inherent brilliance, your unique radiance, your profound beauty. Your journey is one of self-discovery, deepening your connection to the divine source within you, and cultivating a love for yourself so profound that it radiates outward, attracting only what is truly aligned with your highest vibration and deepest desires. When you stand in your sovereign power, when you honor your own needs and desires, when you set sacred boundaries with grace and conviction, you become an irresistible force, not because you are seeking, but because you are being, fully and authentically. The love that is meant for you will not require you to shrink. It will celebrate your expansion, honor your boundaries, and cherish the vastness of your beautiful soul, reflecting back to you the divine love you already embody, a love that is eternal and unconditional. And so, beloved, we arrive at a place of profound acceptance, a gentle surrender to the magnificent unfolding of your destiny. This is not resignation, but a powerful act of faith, a deep understanding that all is as it should be, even when the path ahead remains shrouded in mystery and the future feels uncertain, even when your human mind seeks answers. The angels reveal that true peace blossoms when you release the need to control outcomes and instead, embrace the present moment with an open heart, trusting the wisdom of the universe and its perfect plan. His journey, his choices, his timing, are ultimately his own, part of his unique soul contract and divine path. Your journey, however, is to remain anchored in your own truth, to continue nurturing your joy, to trust that the universe is conspiring on your behalf, weaving a tapestry of blessings you cannot yet perceive, preparing a future beyond your wildest dreams. You have planted seeds of intention, watered them with hope, and now, it is time to trust the harvest, knowing it will arrive in its perfect season, in its most beautiful form. Rest in the certainty that you are loved, guided, and eternally supported, held in the embrace of divine grace always. Your destiny is not a destination to be reached, but a continuous unfolding, a sacred dance with the divine, a beautiful becoming, a journey of endless love. And we know that in all things God works for the good of those who love Him, who have been called according to His purpose. Romans 8 verse 28.